This is my tutorial for a Winter Wonderland glitter mug. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with a 60 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum spray paint. We are going to first create a background for our wintry scene, and something I like to do with my backgrounds is to give them some depth by adding a layer of paint, then a layer of alcohol inks to really add some depth of color. As I always try to tell you guys, try to stand out from other makers by adding depth and rich color to your tumblers, and this is an awesome way to do it. Dab the inks and blend them with the blending solution until you get the look that you want. I'll be going for a gray background to match the transfers, but you can definitely experiment with other colors. When you're finished, seal this layer with a coat of epoxy, and I will also be adding my snow with this step by adding Virginish into the epoxy. Now, remember y'all, hold your breath, fam. This stuff is not a respecter of persons and will light you up with sparkly goodness. So be careful because we'll be using it a couple of times in this design. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our transfers and blend them into our background. Southern Belle Glitter has these beautiful Winter Wonderland transfers that will be perfect for our mug design. But we don't want to just plop them on and call it good. We really want them to blend seamlessly into the background. To do this, we'll also be using alcohol inks again. After you have your transfers where you want them, it's now time to blend them in using the inks and blending solution. Take your time, fam, okay? Keep adding and blending until you get the look that you want. And don't rush. Take your time, take your time, take your time. It took me about 25 to 30 minutes to get the final look and blend that I wanted. When you're all done, you can let your inks dry overnight, or you can use a heat gun if you are in a rush like I was. We'll be adding more snow also to this next epoxy layer. Now, okay, so you can do blizzard conditions, which I did to the tumbler on the on the right. Okay, it wasn't on purpose, you guys. I accidentally added a tad too much glitter. I mean, I know there's no such thing as too much glitter. I mean, in this, it's a little much. It was blizzardy. Okay, it was blizzardy. So I would try to go with a light snowfall like I'm doing on this tumbler, or you can go with no snow at all. It's totally up to you. Or you can do blizzard conditions. I mean, like white out blizzard conditions if you want. I mean, do what you want, fam. Do what you want. Now you also may be wondering, Vanessa, you only blended the top portion, and you would be right, but I wanted to blend the bottom of the transfers using micas and epoxy dye. First, the micas will soften the edge by giving it an almost misty, snowy look. Then the epoxy dye will add the look of snow to cover the bottom edge of the transfers. I'll be using my stir stick for the dye part, but you can also use your finger, whatever's easiest for you. Now that our transfers are all nicely blended in, I thought I needed some more snow. I know, I was just finished talking about blizzard conditions on that last step, but this is different. This is like silvery snow. But first I wanted it to look like a whole snowy look by adding more pure mica powder into the epoxy, just to give it an all over shimmery, hazy, wintry look. And then I'm going to be coming in with Snowfall, aptly named, for some more snow. And I'm just going to be going along the top, like heavy along the top with the glitter. And then I'm just going to take my gloved finger and bring the glitter down. So it's almost kind of like that waterfall glitter look. So it's like lots of snow up top, and then I just kind of take my finger and bring the snow down. And you can skip this step if you like, fam. You can skip however many steps you want or need, but you know what I'm already going to say, okay? It needs snow. It needs something sparkly. It needs the silver sparkly goodness of Snowfall, so just do it, okay? Do it. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our decal, or you can be done, you guys. You can be absolutely finished with this tumbler. I mean, because honestly, y'all, this tumbler is gorgeous with or without a decal, or you can add personalization instead of a decal. Do whatever you like. Now, I was looking at the tumbler and I noticed the windows on the front, the light from inside the windows was looking a little faded, so I really wanted them to pop and just look like a nice, warm, wintry scene with the lights kind of like waiting for a person coming in from shoveling snow, and it's like the warm lights from the house just look so inviting. So I grabbed some alcohol ink markers from Woods Goodies and just filled in the windows a little bit. For the bottom, we're not working with a lot of depth like we normally are when we're using a Tipsy Magnolia tumbler, so I did a thin layer of glitter and utilized some more of the Winter Wonderland transfers. There was this super cute, adorable little squirrel and fox. There was a fox too, but the squirrel was calling to me. The squirrel was legit saying, pick me, okay, pick me, pick me. He was so stinking cute, so I had to. I had to. Look at him. Look at the little squirrel. He's so cute. He's got like a little nut or something between his little hands. Oh my gosh, adorable. Adorable. And I totally neglected to mention that I cured my UV resin by just taking my mug outside for a few minutes, and when I was finished with the bottom, I sealed my whole tumbler until it was smooth, and then I was all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. This is my last tutorial for 2023, and it has been an amazing year. Thank you all so much for your support with watching my videos. That really helps my channel grow. And a huge thank you to all my mentorship and channel members. I could not do what I do without you. May you all have a safe and blessed Christmas and New Year, and I will see you in 2024.